Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how I make a poster. Use application named Canva. Okay, for the first, open the application. This is the main menu, and if you want to make a poster, just click add logo here and choose poster. Okay, there are many albums or themes and match the theme to be creative, for example, education. You can choose one and choose a template that doesn't have a pro logo because it can only be used if we use the paid Canva application. Okay, because I have made a poster for this assignment a few days ago, we can see the latest design here. The first thing I will show you is how to add a picture or logo in your template, your poster template. Just click add here and choose roll camera and choose the picture you want to add on your template. For example, Unindra logo here, and click add to the template. Okay, next. For the headline, you can add text here. There is many templates for your headlines. You can choose one without pro logo, yeah. Next, for your title of your poster here, we can choose font style. We can change it as you want, for example in the slide. And next is font size. You can arrange your font size here. And font color, you can change your font color. And next is format text, bold, italic, underline, or uppercase. Align left, center, align right. Next is about effect. You can make your text is more artistic using this tool. You can see on the it can move, but the text doesn't move with it, so we have to move it too. And about the chart here, you can find it on the element. There are many elements you can use on your template or poster. For example, we find about child and add to the template here. For the other elements are same. You can adjust it bigger or smaller, and you can find here in the element tools. So easy. And if you have finished make your poster, you just click save, and the poster will be saved on your phone, and you can share on the galleries or photo on your phone. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.